Merry... Well...
What? Hi. Hello, everyone.
Stop interrupting me. Merry Christmas.
See this right here? Road trip. This grill's coming on the road with us. Next time you see it, it's gonna be at the Wedge.
Oh God.
Styrofoam is always a...
That's... Oh.
For all of your assembly needs. Dumbass. No setup required. Oh Lord. Okay. The unboxing is going really well.
Thanks, Coleman.
I don't need the manual.
I don't need it.
I know how to do this all on my own. And just like that, it's upside down. Oh, there we go.
Oh, there we go.
And now there's a safety lock for safety. I don't really think we need it. Just gonna shove it in there.
Thanks, last word.
Turn her over.
You got it a quarter of the way.
Where's this thing supposed to go?
Yep.
Get this perfect fit. Thanks, Coleman.
Thanks, Coleman.
Ooh, that's a good tone.
You still trying to figure out?
I'm still trying to figure out where this thing goes.
I can't believe you just cut me off like that.
She's ready.
He's ready.
This is continuation of Coleman Grill. You might have to go to night mode here. Alright, night mode, here we go. It's on.